Hello, my amazing students. This is Mrs. A, and I love math. Now, it has been a little while since I've seen you because we just had Christmas break, and the last lesson I did for you in our Algebra Half Blue Book was Lesson 81. So now we're starting Lesson 82. This is an excellent lesson to start back up with because it's so short and so easy. I think you'll really enjoy it. So it's time to put back on our thinking caps. It's time to get back into school. And hopefully you had a wonderful Christmas break. So here is our board. I got a little bit bigger board, so let's see how I can use this here. All right, so we are talking about Lesson 82, and it's multiplication and division of signed numbers. And remember, signed numbers are numbers like this that have a positive or negative in front of them. And remember, if we don't see a sign, then it's positive by default. So these are our rules. We have two rules right here. And the cool thing about the two rules is they work for both multiplication and division. The same rule. So it's very easy. If we have two like signs that we are either multiplying or dividing, we get a positive answer. And if we have two unlike or opposite signs that we are either multiplying or dividing, then we get a negative answer. Okay, so here's example 1. And we have 4 times 2. Both are positive because there's no sign listed. Same sign. Positive answer, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, over here we have a negative 4 and a negative 2. Same sign. They're both negative, so we get a positive 8. Over here we have a negative 4 times a positive 2, opposite sign. So we're going to get a negative result, and it will be a negative 8. Easy, huh? 4 times a negative 2, again, a positive and a negative, opposite signs. Therefore, we're going to get a negative result, negative 8. So all we have to do is figure out, are we going to have a positive result or a negative result? And then just multiply the absolute values of the numbers together. So 4 times 2 is 8. We just have to decide whether it's an 8 or a negative 8. How easy is that? Okay, so now we're going to do practice 2, example 2, which is division. We just did multiplication. But the rules are the same. So 8 divided by 2, they're both positive. Therefore, we're going to have a positive result. And we're going to get 8 divided by 2 is 4. Negative 8 divided by negative 2, since they're both negative, we're going to get a positive result. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by negative 2, now we have opposites. So we're going to get a negative 4. And negative 8 divided by positive 2, we have opposite signs, so we're going to get a negative 4. All right, we have 8 little very short practice problems for this lesson, and then we're done with lesson 82. Okay, so here we're practicing, and we have 4 times a negative 3. Well, we have a positive times a negative. Those are opposites, so we're going to get a negative result, and 4 times 3 is 12. We have a negative 3 times a positive 4, opposite signs. So again, we're going to get a negative, and 3 times 4 is 12. We have a negative 4 times a negative 3, which are the same sign. Like signs lead to a positive answer. We're going to get a positive 12. And we don't need to put the positive there because it's positive by default. 4 times 3 is 12. Now let's do these division problems. We have 4 divided by a negative 8. Okay, now we're going to have to simplify, but we're going to get 4 divided by 8 will simplify to 1/2, but we have a positive 4 and a negative 8, so it's going to become a negative 1/2. Okay, we have a negative 14 divided by a negative 7. Negative divided by negative is a positive 2. A negative divided by a positive, opposite signs, we get a negative 2. The last one, a positive divided by a negative, opposite signs, we get a negative 2. And we are done. with lesson 82. So now you need to do your homework. And this is Mrs. A, and may God bless your day.